Hello there dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be sharing with you some money-making woodworking project ideas. If you're someone who enjoys woodworking as a hobby, or if you're just starting out, these projects are perfect for you. Not only are they fun to make, but they can also be profitable. So, let's get started. Making wood projects for sale has many benefits. Selling your wood projects can provide you with an extra source of income. Woodworking is a great way to express your creativity and make something unique. Seeing your finished product and knowing that someone else appreciates your work can be very satisfying. When you make your own furniture, you can work on your woodworking projects at your own pace and on your own schedule. Are you enjoying our collection of money-making woodworking project ideas? We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking is a skill that can be developed over time, and making projects for sale is a great way to improve your skills. In addition, making wood projects from reclaimed or recycled wood is a great way to reduce waste and help the environment. When making wood projects for sale, you have the ability to customize them to fit the specific needs and preferences of your customers. This can lead to repeat business and a loyal customer base. Compared to other businesses, woodworking has relatively low startup costs. You can start with basic tools and materials and gradually invest in more advanced equipment as your business grows. If you already have a woodworking business, adding wood projects for sale can diversify your product line and attract new customers. Selling your wood projects can lead to networking opportunities with other woodworkers and potential customers. You may also be able to collaborate with other businesses or participate in craft fairs and markets. Making wood projects for sale can also lead to personal growth and development. It can help you build confidence, improve your communication skills, and teach you valuable business skills such as marketing and pricing strategies. Woodworking allows you to create unique and one-of-a-kind products that cannot be found in mass-produced stores. This can set your business apart from competitors and attract customers who value handmade and personalized items. Using wood as a material is a sustainable choice as it is renewable, biodegradable, and has a low carbon footprint. This can appeal to environmentally conscious customers and contribute to a greener future. Woodworking is a form of artistic expression that allows you to showcase your creativity and skills. This can be a fulfilling and satisfying aspect of running a woodworking business. Wood products are known for their durability and longevity, which can lead to repeat business from satisfied customers. This can also contribute to a positive reputation for your business. As we always say, woodworking can be a flexible business as you can work from home or a workshop, set your own hours, and choose the projects you want to work on. This can provide a sense of freedom and control over your work-life balance. Woodworking can evoke feelings of nostalgia and tradition, which can be appealing to customers who appreciate traditional craftsmanship and handmade items. Woodworking can be a way to connect with your local community by participating in craft fairs, markets, and events. This can help build relationships with customers and other businesses in your area. Overall, making wood projects for sale is a rewarding and fulfilling way to earn extra income, express your creativity, and contribute to a sustainable future. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked money-making woodworking project ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.